It's a great pleasure to speak on this platform. I am Gayatri Rathod, working as a principal. I am from India. Yesterday, I was going through the newspaper. I was shocked by observing that somewhere or the other, we, as a human, are facing problem. It may be social, economic, or political. Most of all, the countries are unstable. It may be superpower countries or undeveloped. Problems such as overconsumption, overpopulation, drugs, terrorism, murder, rape, community riots, and many more. We are marching towards our own distributions in the name of the development. People are losing hope, trust, to respect towards each others. Sometimes I feel what have the planet become? No mercy towards each other. Youngsters are falling prey towards all ill effects. And why so? For a while, I was quiet and calm and started thinking about the remedy towards it. Started gathering information and through the holy books. Solution come out to be teaching or education young generation with peace education. If we turn the pages of our history, we can find reference of peace education. In many ways, the peace world itself possesses the power of inner soul, the power of recognition, the power of unity, and much more. As an educator, I believe that the peace that mankind need must be educated. For me, peace education in HWPL was a curriculum that I wanted to teach my student. The purpose of HWPL peace education is for foster citizens of peace and messengers of peace who work together to spread the culture of peace through the idea of peace throughout the world. For the purpose, the HWPL Peace Textbook, which is composed of 12 lessons, is largely divided into two parts. The first part began with the discovery of the peace, the billions of years of life flowering nature. It explained human greed, the root of cause of war, and the restoration of the order of humanity and the end before. The second part, lesson 5 through 12, is about the value of the peace that should be placed in each student mind. Gratitude, consideration, sacrifice, forgiveness, respecting for elders, law-abiding spirit, gratitude, and courage are essential values to spread peace in a chaotic world. When these values are internalized and characterized, they are become the citizen of peace and messenger of peace. The advantage of HWPL peace education is the content of HWPL peace education, such as the diversity, harmony, cooperation, love, order, tolerance, etc. in easy to teach in any countries because it consists of the content that is applied on a daily basis at home and at school. In addition, I think we can give students the answer to achieve peace in their lives and community. Let me give an example. In order for students to learn how to achieve peace in their home and school, they first learn why living creatures can live harmoniously together on the earth. It is because everything on earth and in space faithfully fulfill their role in harmony. The ozone layer has its role of blocking out UV ultraviolet rays. Microorganisms discover organic matter, that is, they dissolve organic matter. And chlorophyll creates nutrition through photosynthesis. Based on this understanding, students explore the social role for the community and learn that they play the role of children at home, the role of students at home, and the role of citizens in the country. And they learn to do their duties in order. The 12 lessons of the peace textbook have abandoned the material and logic to convince students why peace value are needed. So I think it can change students' inner thought. Therefore, I believe that we can foster peace citizens who have the ability to create peace in a peaceful way while pursuing peace, which is the purpose of HWPL peace education. In the post-corona era, I think we need more of these peaceful citizens. It is because I believe that a society with citizens who can sacrifice and cooperate for the safety and prosperity of the country, of the community, not just for the individual interests. We will be able to overcome crises like Corona. So I'm going to teach students a special lecture on peace education that is needed in the post-Corona era, made by Diagu Gyeongbik Beach of SWPL. He's from the bench of the SWPL. I am by profession an educationalist. That's why I think I have responsibility to shape the future, and that's why I practice this wholeheartedly. I never say first. I never said this thing. First, I practice and then put example in front of all it is. If possible for me, then why not the others? As I know the magic of peace, I want this magic should spread in the world. Thank you for giving me the opportunity and listening me. Thank you.